Please note that features and accessories may vary per model. Not all parts shown in this video may apply to your model of grill. See your operator's manual for your parts list. For complete instructions, please refer to your operator's manual. You will need a Phillips screwdriver and adjustable wrench. Remove the pieces of hardware needed for each step based on the operator's manual. For use with STOK Quattro grill only. Before converting your Quattro propane gas grill to natural gas, read all instructions included with the natural gas conversion kit. After you have unpacked all the parts from the Quattro natural gas kit box and have verified and inspected all the parts, make sure all the control knobs on the control panel are off and the hand wheel on the propane cylinder is off before beginning. Holding the coupling nut and regulator, turn coupling nut counterclockwise and disconnect by hand. Do not use tools. Turn cylinder retention bolt counterclockwise until cylinder is loose. Carefully lift the cylinder up and away from the grill. Use an adjustable or 3/4 inch wrench to unscrew the collar of the regulator hose from the manifold. Loosen the set screw on each of the control knobs using a 2mm hex key. Remove the knobs. Loosen the 2 black screws securing each control knob bezel. Loosen and remove the 6 screws and nuts securing the control panel. Locate the wires going from the igniter on the control panel to the electrodes inside the firebox. Carefully disconnect the wires from the igniter assembly. Remove the propane manifold and valve assembly from the burners. Remove the warming rack inserts, grates, and heat tents to expose the burners. Remove the cotter pins securing each propane burner. Lift each burner up and toward the back of the firebox. Remove crossfire tubes. Unscrew and remove the electrode assemblies from each burner. Natural gas burners are marked with NG. Attach the electrode assemblies to each natural gas burner. Return the crossfire tubes to their original positions. Slide the burner inlets and electrodes into their respective holes in the front of the firebox. Slide the burners and wires through the holes in the grill frame. Position the slots on the back end of each burner onto the tabs along the rear of the firebox so the tabs go through the slots in the burners. The shortest electrode wires should be on the left and the longest electrode wires should be on the right. Secure with new cotter pins. Place the stem of the natural gas manifold and valve assembly, marked with yellow screws, into the grill while inserting the tip of the manifold valves into the burners. Reconnect the electrode wires to the igniter and reassemble the control panel, bezels, and control knobs. Remove the rubber cap from the stem of the natural gas manifold and valve assembly. Using a wrench, screw the collar of the natural gas hose to the natural gas manifold and valve assembly and tighten securely. Have the quick connect coupler attached to the natural gas supply line by a certified licensed professional. Improper installation of the quick connect coupler can result in a gas leak, which is a fire hazard.